Hi friends, good evening. Today it is 16/6/2022 and the time is 8:30. Uh, Nothing more to talk today. Uh, Yesterday we are very clearly bearish, and I clearly mentioned in my video saying that we are holding short. Based on our system, we are holding short, and we are not care about what Fed is going to come out with. And at 2:30, to my WhatsApp followers, I clearly mentioned this event is going to be a non-event. So there won't be any implications on the upside. So the bearishness will be there. And I've already mentioned this in Twitter also. Everybody was too much of hype without seeing the chart, what is happening in Nifty and Bank Nifty. They are totally dependent upon the news events or the event which is going to happen. And after in the night, everybody started because of the green tick and 300 points, even the 300 points Dow Jones close. I was predicted that at 11 o'clock to my followers, and this is what it should be. If it is closed at 300 points, then it is a non-event. It was very clear. It was very clear. And option pricing at 2:30 yesterday itself, it is showing very clearly it's going to be a non-event. I don't know what people are doing in option chain, learning all that, and then suddenly after Dow Jones, closed at 300 points, everybody was jumping in the street saying that market has bottomed out and we are going somewhere. And today everybody was standing in the streets without even clothes. Anyway, let's see what we discussed. And today our Euro Zero call, which is we bought 15,600 put at 14 rupees. And we sold it at 250 rupees. And that was a rocker. And today, many of my followers really did wonders. And one guy from hospital, from the bed, he made 1.2 lakhs. That was a booster for me today. And literally, our timings, our numbers, our predictions all went like, mad. And the entire credit goes to my gurus and my market. Nothing else. We are just a puppet. We are just seeing what is there in the market, and then we are giving it to you. If it is respected by the market, then I'm soft to market for doing all that. So now let's go to the WhatsApp group and let's see what we discussed. Okay, so this is one of my, he's a doctor. So yesterday itself, I clearly mentioned it's going to be a non-event thing. Today, a lot of messages, a lot of profits. So the messages was a little huge. Okay, so this clearly I mentioned 1151, 75 basis points, and Dow is sleeping. Why too much of hype for this? Even if it goes by 300 points up or down, it is just a normal day. So you don't need to hype for all this. And at 2:30 itself, I clearly mentioned it's going to be a non-event day. Yeah, and clearly mentioned Euro Zero call not worth it. This is yesterday at 2:48. Looks like Fed event will be a non-event. It means there won't be any positive things which is going to come into market. That is what option prices was showing that. And that is what happened today. And today it was a rocker, and our thumb rule, which is 30%, 30 minutes high and low, on weekly expiry, plus the miracle 1 hour magic candle, which I discussed yesterday in my weekly, in my daily forecast, did all the wonders. And today, I don't need to talk about what happened on our 907 number, because it has given more than 300 points today. And okay, so this is our 907 number, and the timing was clearly given in the morning at before the market opens at 10:50 to 10:55 candle. Watch this and make or break candle at 2 p.m. to 2:05 p.m. and everything was rocked. And our Euro Zero call, just a minute. Our Euro Zero call, yeah, this is our Euro Zero call. Started at 14, and we closed at 250. Some closed in the middle. Somebody held it till the closing, and everybody today was rocking. This is our the new follower made 10K, and there are many today. And somebody was saluting. I said clearly, it is for the market, nothing else. We are just a puppet and then we are doing all that. And this was the miracle number. And yesterday I gave a target. If it breaks below 15567, the next straight target is 15,376, 200 points cut, which I clearly mentioned in my PPT. Believe me, how market respected that number. I will show you. You'll be amazed to see how market came down and touched that number 15,376, and it gave up immediate bounce of 100 points. See, all these numbers are miracle numbers. All these numbers are miracle numbers, and it rocked today. So it was literally a goosebumps every minute today, every minute, and everybody was saying pranam to market, and all that. And the last thing was this one, which I wanted to read. Sir, today days were painful but profitable. Painful because these messages is from hospital bed, and profit of because 1.25 lakhs, 1.2 lakhs. And it is only because of you, your 00 call trade, hospital fees recovered. Thanks a lot. And till now we are calling him, he is not responding. We don't know what happened to this guy, but still he's replying. So we feel that he's good. That is more than enough for us. That's what it is. So now let's go to the chart. Okay, so this is our daily 907 number. Buy above 15,847, sell below 15,815, and none of the candle closed above this line, and the short initiated here. And this was the first timing none of the candle closed above, started falling, and this was again a miracle candle of 2 to 205. Again, it was a fall. And see this was the number 15,376, and it came down all the way, just touched this number. See what happened after this candle touched this number. It was a bounce of 100 points in a flash from 15,376 to 15,478. It was a 100 points bump from this number, because this is a miracle and magical vibration number. Okay, whether because of this we squared our position, 100% no. Why? Because in our system it has not given a buy. I will show you in 1 minute. So in 1 minute it was a sell from the beginning. So it gave a sell at 15,760. After that, there is no buy, but that bump up came here. But this candle was a fake buy. So none of the candle went above this candle. So it is a fake buy. We only know this, and we are sitting on this because it's a fake buy. Again, it started falling, and it closed in the end. What a beautiful trade to watch out for. Without emotion, you can simply sit on it. And if you get a fake buy like this, sell. And my clear instruction to my subscribers is, on weekly expiry, you should or you must to follow only 1 minute in Nifty future or Bank Nifty future. That was a rule which I've given to my followers, because on expiry day, fortune signals 1 minute time frame will work like mad. And this is what it is today. Not even one single candle gave a buy for us, and it was rocking till the end. Okay, so this was a graph. So let's go and talk what we discussed in PPT yesterday. Okay, so this is for, okay, I clearly mentioned everything was bearish and this candle will do the magic. I clearly mentioned this candle will do the magic, that 1 hour candle of 16.6, and I've already given you how we derived this number, how we derived this candle based on the past data. Kindly go back and visit my yesterday's video and you will know all this. And weekly expiry, simple thumb rule, no need to watch any option chain analysis, doing these, that, whether the put is there, call is there. No need to do anything. A simple weekly expiry, first 30 minutes high and low will do the magic. Keep it simple. Why so complications, putting so many things into it? And today I've got one picture where there are only EMAs. I'm not able to even see the candle. And how come people are going to trade with that? God only knows that. Anyway, below this 14th low, Nifty did 250 points and 750 points in the bank Nifty. Whether am I doing any indicator in that? Nothing. If it breaks the 10 change rate low, this is what will happen. 250 points in the Nifty and 750 points in bank Nifty. Done and dusted. And yesterday it was an inside bar pattern. Clearly broken, finished. Okay, so if you see CNBC, ET now, and Dow Jones, S&P to trade Nifty, and this is what will happen. Many people today, I know how many people lost money. I was getting a lot of, I think somebody lost even 1.9 crores today. 1.9 crores. God only can. I don't know. I don't want to say anything about that. So anyway, again, this day candle of Nifty Auto is very, very vital going forward. And I've already mentioned last week itself, Nifty Auto made the top. So now today's high has to be taken out on the higher side to give buy initiation on Nifty Auto also. Nifty Auto also. And today we closed to very, very bad shape, very bad shape. And this is what I'm telling. And yesterday I given my first target. My first target was 14,933. And when we exited our mutual funds moved our mutual fund from aggressive to balanced advantage at 18,300, I gave a first target of 15,625, where we will make a first tranche into mutual funds again. 15% of the overall corpus from balanced advantage funds to aggressive funds. So tomorrow morning we'll be shifting 15% from balanced advantage funds to aggressive fund. This was the first target which I gave when Nifty was at 16,300 on 18th of October, and the video is already available in my YouTube channel. You can go and check. This was my first target, and today it achieved. Okay, so and these are my numbers for tomorrow. Sorry, this is okay. So see this. Okay. So normally I give only 30-40 points as a target because it is daily. But yesterday I was very, very clear. Once it breaks this number, because this number is a miracle, magical, weekly low. If it breaks this number, I know for sure it will try to come and touch this number. And today I gave a bet also to my followers saying that who is ready for this number when it was trading here. And few people said yes, and it came bang on, touch this number, went up by 100 rupees. Again, it fallen close to below. See, this was a 200 rupees call on an intraday, and with conviction to write is very, very difficult. And we have written it, but whether I need to take the credit for this, 100% no. We have, whatever we observe, we are writing here, and market is doing everything for us. So 100% all this credit goes to market only. Nothing else. Okay, so again, no need to talk about that. All bearish. This is what I'm telling from the beginning. All bearish. There is no bullishness. Even yesterday at 11 o'clock in the night, I was observing, Dow Jones on 1 minute. I clearly said, even it has not given a buy initiation on 15 minutes basis, how can these people are going bullish? I really don't know. Not even in 15 minutes. And suddenly they are saying 300 points tick. They are saying, all game changed and it is going for a bump up. And somebody who's a well-known, renowned guy who's in the market for more than 30-40 years, he was betting on CNBC 2 days before, saying that 100% this is the word he used, 100% I'm guaranteeing that Nifty will not go below 15,700. Where is the question of 100% in this market? There is no holy grail in this market. If somebody knows that, then he can sell anything and buy Nifty. And he was shouting in CNBC. And today, what happened? And who is going to ask him? Because there is disclaimer. I don't know what kind of charts they are following. God only knows, and more than 5 lakh followers and all that. Real crap. Anyway, chalo, Nifty closed all these bearish numbers today. It closed below this number also, so it is very, very painful, very clear. So now we need to watch this date in case if there is any bullish formation. And clearly I made here, this is based on some other analysis. I clearly made 14th is the top, and this I'm showing you for the 3rd time. And every day in my video it is there. Every day in my video, in my weekly forecast, even in my monthly forecast, I clearly mentioned it is top, top, top. This is based on something else. Okay, it is time and price combination. It clearly says 14th is the top. Okay, so that is what it is. And today we have seen a clear cut of downfall. So now 21st, 22, 23 is the date which we need to watch out for. Let's see what happens till that time, whether market is going to fall or it is going to consolidate from here, whether it is going to take a support and all that. But whatever it is, it has to give 15 minutes genuine buy in our fortune signals. Till that time, there is no buy from our side. We will use 907 number. Today we closed all our positions. We don't hold any positions today. The week was already ended because all our weekly targets is achieved. All our weekly targets is achieved in Nifty as well as in Bank Nifty, and it has given much beyond that also. So we closed all positions. So we will initiate the position tomorrow at 907 based on 907 number. Let's see how it opens, and this is our numbers for tomorrow, and this is our numbers for tomorrow. Okay, so all isn't bearish, and only on 19th we are getting a trend change date stocks. So as of now, even tomorrow there is no trend change date. So the 19th is stocked already. M&M Finance are also 19th. So we need to watch these stocks on 19th. So nothing more to talk. It was literally rocker. And again, Nifty closed exactly at 100 weekly SMA. Watch out. It has to hold that, break below, more and more pain. And Bank Nifty closed where the breakout happened in COVID stage. When the breakout happened in COVID stage, that is where it closed exactly. So possibility of taking a support, we don't know, but we will initiate the buy call only if we get buy signal on 15 minutes in fortune signal. Till that time, we are not initiating any bullish position. Rather, if it goes up tomorrow, we will again try to hit on the top only, and our fortune signals knows where the top is happening because of that fake buy and fake sell which we use in our fortune signal on a daily basis. And that is what you have seen in even in 1 minute video. And tomorrow, watch this. Tomorrow, this number, this two number is very crucial in Bank Nifty. This is also based on a 1 hour candle magic, which we derived from the past data which happened in 2019 data. Maybe I can show that to you. Just a minute, I'll try to show that to you. Just a minute. All these are vibrations. Okay, so now just a minute. Okay, so now, okay, so based on these two dates, and the top made here on this day at 10:15 candle, and the low made here on this candle at 10:15. When I derived these two numbers, I got these two numbers, and this candle, this date, this candle high is this and low is this. So this number will be very vital for tomorrow. And today we have a webinar at 9:30. We are going to derive some more numbers to discuss and to find few more bottoms based on 1 hour magic candle. So watch these two number, which is very special going forward. And Bank Nifty, this number, this is what I said yesterday. This candle will do a miracle. So now at least Nifty has to go and close above this candle high to give some kind of a hope for bulls. Otherwise, it's a pain. And if you go to Nifty, yeah, this is Bank Nifty. Clearly mentioned danger zone. All these numbers I've already given, in the PPT, and this is a number which I talked about now: 32,142 and 32018. These two numbers which you need to watch out for tomorrow based on 1 hour magic candle number, and it is much below the Ichimoku cloud. And this is where Nifty is standing now on weekly SMAs, exactly at 100 SMA, and Bank Nifty is close to below the 100 SMA, so it is extremely weak. And if you go to weekly, It has closed below the weekly cloud. See where it opened exactly here this week, and from we have another one more day to go. So it is down. Let's see whether this lagging span comes here and takes the support from here. Anyway, all this we will discuss in our weekly forecast video next week. So thanks a lot for seeing this video. Again, saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor, so kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisors before taking any financial decisions. And this is what I'm telling for long time. Wait for the time to buy. This is not the time to buy. You will get a better opportunity to buy a throwaway prices for all your good companies. So wait for it. You will get opportunity, and there you need to have cash. So I've already made a video that whether Indian indices bottomed out or not in the month of April. Even that video is available there. I clearly mentioned on that day, cash is the king, stay in cash. Cash is the king, stay in cash. So if you go here, just a minute. Oh, sorry. Just a minute. I'm sorry. This I don't know. Okay, one second. And this is our mutual fund group. Okay, so all these are comments today. Okay, so this is what I mentioned at 10:50 on 11/5/2022. I will move 15%. 15% will be moved to aggressive fund from BAF when Nifty touches 15,625, and today it touched. Okay, so we'll move 15%, and this is our advisor group where mutual fund advisors, all started because of them only. So the entire credit goes to them only. So we started from here. Now YouTube and all that is going on. So we manage mutual funds based on time also. With the fortune signals, we make an entry. Fundamentals we keep aside, and we know when to enter and when to exit. So that's how it is. So then this guy asked me only 15%. I clearly mentioned yes, because I'm expecting some more fall. Let's first 14,933. It should come. Once it comes, I will give you the second target. And all those targets I've already given you in the month of April itself in my video. If possible, kindly go and watch that video. Thanks a lot. See you soon tomorrow at 9:07. Bye.